2018 Audi S8 review. The 2018 Audi S8 delivers power, refinement and design in welcome excess. Few sedans will be more powerful compared to 2018 Audi S8. With 605 horsepower for its twin-turbocharged 4.0-litre V8 along with an optional 190 miles per hour top speed, the S8 falls into a closed society group. Combined with standard all-wheel drive, the resulting acceleration may make some supercars envious. As preposterous because its abilities might appear, the S8 remains an understated machine. It is usually a flagship luxury sedan. In fact, plus in this role comfort will be as big of any priority as performance. Like the A8, what is the best it's spaced, the S8's interior boasts extensive leather upholstery and attractive materials throughout. From its smooth riding air suspension to its extensive volume of standard features, the S8 delivers on every front. What's new? Aside from small alterations in option packages, the S8 is unchanged for 2018. The 2018 Audi S8 is merely available in the Plus trim. As such, picking an S8 just boils down to what options you desire. The Executive Plus is surely a novice choice as it adds extra precautionary features that you'll likely appreciate having, including lane departure warning and forward collisions warning. We'd consider the dynamic package, too. It's more to the bragging rights linked to owning a sedan which has a 190 miles per hour top speed as an alternative to any particular benefit coming from the package's carbon ceramic brakes. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Audi S8 is often a full-size, high-performance luxury sedan that can be found only in Plus trim. It employs a turbocharged 4.0-litre V8, 605 horsepower, 517 pound-feet of torque which is connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is standard. As Audi's flagship sedan, the S8 comes well preloaded with standard features, including 21-inch wheels, a sport-tuned adaptive air suspension, LED exterior lighting, a top-down parking camera system, parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, a panoramic sunroof, an electric trunk lid and soft closed doors. Interior amenities include keyless entry and ignition, a head-up display, diamond-stitched leather seating, fourth-zone climate control, 22-way power-adjustable front seats with massage, heating, and ventilation, and power rear window sunshades. The infotainment technique is accessed by using an 8-inch retractable center display, and supported by a 14-speaker Bose surround subwoofer. Satellite radio is roofed. Even so, the S8 is still equipped with Audi's proprietary music interface instead of a regular USB port. Last year's cold weather and driver assistance packages have already been combined to the Executive Plus package, including lane departure warning and intervention, traffic adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning and mitigation, a heated tire, heated rear seats and rear seat pass-through. The Dynamics package fits the S8 with carbon ceramic brakes and enhances the car's top speed limited to 190 miles per hour. Notable standalone options add a night vision camera system plus a 19-speaker Bang & Olufsen head unit. The rest of the S8's packages are matched to customizing the sedan's color and trim combinations. Trim tested. Although we've driven the related A8 sedan, has not really driven any version on this vehicle. The following is our first accepts what's significant concerning this and what is available. Driving. Combining an absurd volume of power while using refinement one expects from an executive luxury sedan tends to make a highly enjoyable, if unusual, driving experience. Whether cruising along around the freeway or facing a red light by having an empty street ahead, the Audi S8 always delivers satisfaction. Comfort. The adaptive air suspension deftly balances sporty handling, having a smooth ride. We also much like the heated front seats that supply 22-way adjustment and massage. Rear occupants will appreciate the extra adjustment supplied by Fort's own climate control. Interior. Though its design is really a few years old, the S8's interior still displays unfocused detail and cohesion in design. If a surface isn't high-quality leather or perhaps an attractive trimmed piece, it's probably simulated suede. And it's all customizable. Utility. A power, hands-free trunk makes it simple to load and unload, although S8's 14.2 cubic foot trunk isn't particularly generous due to this class of car. The interior boasts an abundance of cubbies and pockets for smaller personal items. Technology. The S8's MMI infotainment product is reasonably easy to make use of, however it is dated when compared to the latest version of MMI entirely on other Audi vehicles. The proprietary music interface isn't nearly as versatile as developing a USB port to connect your phone. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay aren't available.